What's up, what's up, what's up? This is Michael Morris, and I still want to machine a folding knife. Okay, so today I sat down to design a blade, and I'm pretty stoked about the blade I came up with. I'm about to show it to you. I'm going to go upstairs to my office, to the drawing board, show you what I've got going on. But at the same time, I am also etching some Mike Sakmar Mokume. So these are the spinners that I am etching and polishing tonight. So I'm going to be doing that while I am working on the knife. So let's head upstairs. Okay, so I borrowed my daughter's tracing light board thing here to show you what I got going on. So this is the handle that I designed last night, and let me show you what I've come up with for the blade here. Alright, this is what I've come up with for the blade. I really like it. I like a lot of curves, so yeah, you can see it right there. So now let's see what it looks like with the handle and the blade. So let me get this pivot lined up. So that's what we're looking at now. And so I need to work on that pivot. It's not in the right place. It's a little off. Okay, so let's close it and see what it looks like. Take this blade here and turn it around. Put it back on the pivot here, or close to it. So this is actually about right there is the way it's going to look closed. Pretty sweet. It's hard to tell because you have the blade showing through here. I did trace this out, so the way it's going to look closed is more like this right here. So I am super stoked with how it's looking. I'm going to go ahead and the next video, this one's really short, just kind of wanted to show you an update of what I've been working on today. But I'm going to do like I did last time, and I'm going to trace the blade out on wood, cut it out, screw it, attach it to the handle, just so I can see how it looks and feels. I'm going to be using this plywood I found here. You can see it's kind of warped, so I'm not sure how it's going to work out. Anyway, that's all I've got, so that's what I'm going to use. And so my next video will be that. Thanks for watching. Take care.